The very first question worth asking is this: what if the only reason you're not seeing growth is because you stopped just before the real momentum began? It's a heartbreaking possibility, but also a deeply hopeful one, because it means you're far closer than you think. Most creators don't start their YouTube journey with a lack of passion, they start with a lack of accurate expectations. Every YouTuber you admire began at zero. No audience. No experience. No guarantee. What separated the successful from the forgotten wasn't luck, it was mindset. The quiet, stubborn belief that every upload was practice, every failure was data, and every tiny improvement counted. When creators stop chasing overnight fame and start showing up like long-term professionals, something remarkable happens. Their content sharpens, their confidence grows, and YouTube finally starts paying attention. But mindset alone isn't enough. Growth requires direction. Many creators unknowingly scatter their efforts across random topics, confusing both their audience and the algorithm. The fix is simpler than it seems: define who you're speaking to, and build relentlessly for them. It's the difference between shouting into the void and being heard by the people who need your voice most. Throughout this video, you'll discover the hidden growth pattern behind every successful channel, the same pattern you've already begun, even if you can't see it yet. And by the end, you'll know exactly how to apply it, adapt it, and use it to create the kind of breakthrough moment that most new creators mistakenly give up on. Because the truth is beautifully simple: your success isn't a matter of if. It's a matter of when, and whether you stay in the game long enough to claim it. In this video, we'll explore effective growth strategies for new YouTubers, addressing the common challenges they encounter. With a motivating and insightful tone, we'll emphasize the significance of cultivating a winning mindset, which is crucial for overcoming obstacles and achieving success in the competitive world of YouTube. Starting a YouTube channel comes with harsh statistics, revealing that only a small percentage achieve significant success. Many newcomers fall for the misconception of instant fame, but the reality is different. Persistence is vital. Overcoming challenges is essential for growth and eventual success in this competitive landscape. Having the right mindset is crucial for YouTube success. Viewers should focus on creating content driven by passion rather than solely for profit. A winning mindset sets successful creators apart, reminding us that every prominent YouTuber began their journey from scratch, emphasizing the value of perseverance and dedication. Setting realistic expectations is essential for your YouTube journey. Understand that YouTube is a long-term commitment, not a quick money-making scheme. Focus on developing your skills rather than seeking immediate results, and remember that true success requires time, effort, and dedication to your craft. It's crucial not to quit too early on your YouTube journey. Many successful creators produced hundreds of videos before achieving their breakthrough. Staying committed through initial struggles is vital, as persistence often leads to significant breakthroughs, proving that dedication can ultimately pave the way to success. Applying learned strategies is essential for growth on YouTube. Viewers should take actionable steps after watching tutorials, as even small improvements accumulate over time. Remember, learning is a continuous process. Consistently implementing new techniques will enhance your content and contribute to your overall success on the platform. When seeking advice for growth, be wary of promises of overnight success. Patience and strategic planning are essential for long-term achievement. Encourage viewers to learn from experienced creators who have navigated the journey, as their insights can provide valuable guidance and realistic expectations for sustainable growth. Defining a niche is vital for growth on YouTube. Random content can confuse both viewers and algorithms, making it harder to gain traction. By understanding their target audience, creators can build content around a clear niche, leading to stronger engagement and a more dedicated subscriber base over time. Introducing the 80-20 rule in content creation, where 80% of results often stem from just 20% of efforts. Key elements like compelling titles and eye-catching thumbnails significantly drive growth. Encourage viewers to concentrate on these impactful aspects of their videos to maximize engagement and overall success on the platform. Consistency in content creation is crucial for growth. If you're getting any value out of this video, please do us one favor to help you and smash that like button, subscribe and the notification bell. Regular practice enhances skills, allowing creators to refine their craft over time. Encourage viewers to maintain a consistent upload schedule, as this not only builds audience trust but also accelerates development, leading to improved content and greater viewer engagement. Being open to changing your niche can revitalize your channel and attract new audiences. Encourage viewers to regularly assess their content's performance and be willing to pivot if necessary. Reinforce that adaptability is essential for long-term success, allowing creators to stay relevant and engaged with their audience. To summarize, we discussed the importance of persistence, learning, and defining your niche for YouTube success. Remember, adapting and applying strategies is vital. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and explore related content to continue your journey toward growth and improvement on the platform. Now that you've seen how real growth happens on YouTube, let's return to the question we began with. What if you quit just before your breakthrough? Here's the truth. What most creators do. They stop uploading right before the compound effect finally starts working in their favor. They underestimate how much each video teaches them, how each improvement stacks onto the next, how consistency quietly builds momentum long before the algorithm notices. But you're now equipped with the pattern most newcomers never learn. You understand that persistence isn't optional, it's the foundation. You see that a winning mindset isn't motivational fluff, it's the operating system that successful creators run on. And you know that defining a niche isn't a limitation, it's the clarity the algorithm rewards fastest. Growth on YouTube isn't magic. It isn't luck. It's a process of strategic learning, deliberate improvement, and patient consistency. And every major creator you admire followed the exact same arc. A long beginning, a confusing middle, and then, almost suddenly, a breakthrough that looked, overnight, to everyone except them. So here's your long hook close. The hidden pattern behind every YouTuber's rise is simple. Breakthroughs happen after unreasonable persistence. Stay in the game. Keep learning. Keep improving. Your breakthrough isn't behind the next video, it's behind the next 100. And you now have everything you need to reach it. If this message inspired you, please like and subscribe, and let's keep showing up together.
In this video, we explore the innovative ways to automate YouTube videos using AI technology. By leveraging these tools, content creation becomes faster and more efficient, allowing us to focus on what truly matters, growing our channel and engaging with our audience. We cover essential strategies that can help streamline your workflow while maximizing your reach. Don't miss out on checking the links at the top of the description below to the free training and software we use to create this video.